Tito Frank, and we know him, we view him in so many different persona, character. He's a missionary, he's a founder, he's our former servant general. He's a good speaker, he's a good writer, he's an evangelist, etc. He's a wowo, no? He's a good husband, a loving husband, no? A loving father. And but to me, on a personal way, I'd like to share to you that I really look up to Tito Frank as a missionary beyond all else. Because the very first time that I met Tito Frank, it's a bit of a funny story, no? And nung kinikwento ko sa kanya to, a few times, lagi kami nagtatawanan, lagi siyang natutuwa, no, pag na-refresh. Back in 1995, parang more than a year pa lang po kami sa community noon. Basically, member pa lang kami ni Jem. I know Frank Padilla as a name only, as Frank Padilla, as among the top leaders of the community. But in 1995, I had the chance to attend a technical training in Paris. And nung pauwi na kami, nung kasama ko, who is also a member of the CFC at that time, pareho kami in 1995, pauwi na kami, ang gusto lang namin is bumili, of course, Paris, bumili ng pasalubong sa mga wife namin ng pabango. And then we rode a train. And then on the train, nakakita kami ng Pinay. And then we asked her kung saan maganda. And sabi niya, after 3 stops, bumaba kayo sa Champs-Élysées. Pero sabi niya, nung 2 stops before, sabi niya, hanggang dito na lang po ako kasi may atin na akong gathering ng mga Pinoy. Sabi namin, ano pong gathering ng mga Pinoy yan? Sabi niya, I don't know kung alam nyo, but I'm a member of the Singles for Christ. And nandito yung mga top leader ng CFC. Sabi namin, sinong top leader? Sabi niya, si Frank Padilla, I don't know kung kilala nyo. Sabi namin, uy, hindi pa natin namimit si Brother Frank Padilla. Kalimutan na natin bumili ng pabango. Umattend tayo doon sa gathering. And it was the graduation noon, and may Lord's Day pa noon, alam niyo yun, di ba? May mga kainan. Tuwa-tuwa kami, pumunta kami roon, no? At imbis na bumili ng pabango, kumakanta kami ng blessing and glory, no? And together with mga mahigit 100, ang dami nila doon, no? And talagang naluluha kami. And until now, hinahanap ko yung picture na yon with Tito Frank, no? Hinahanap ko rin yung kaibigan ko, yung brother natin, nakasama ko doon because he had that picture. And kinekwento ko kay Tito Frank, and he is always fond of listening to that. And sinasabi nga niya, Brother Jojo, those were the days, those were the early waves of our mission in Europe, sabi niya gano'n. So that was the first time I met Tito Frank. I knew him, no? I shook his hands. As a missionary, nagmi-mission siya. Ako hindi, naglalakwat siya lang ako noon, noong time na yun. Pero siya, na-meet ko siya as a missionary. And the last time we've been together with Tito Frank is talagang sa Europe din. We were in the IBC meeting, and he's also on mission. And talagang, and back in 2022, no, gumaling ako noon from my illness. Tito Frank is always messaging me, encouraging me, no, and affirming me na pagagalingin ako ni Lord nung ako'y na-hospitalized noong November in 2021. And in January of 2022, tuwan-tuwa ako, malakas na ako. I'm back on cycling, nakakapag-bike na ako. Since ko si Tito Frank, nagpapasalamat ako sa kanya. And then I visited him dito sa Alpadi. And sabi ko, Tito Frank, meron akong idea. No, ano po ang palagay nyo? And I got some advice from him. Sabi ko, what if we gather bikers, mga willing to go on mission, we go to periferis, no? And makipag-usap tayo sa mga tao about their life, about Jesus. And tuwa siya nun. And sabi niya, so what is this other group? And then sabi ko, Tito Frank, maybe, naman to, hindi naman to official, but maybe we can call it missionary bikers. Tuwa siya. Parang nag-glow yung mata niya. Sabi niya, alam mo, nung araw, Jojo, nagkwentuhan na kami about motorcycle, about cars. He's very fond of motorcycles pala. No? And sabi niya, alam mo, Jojo, kung bata-bata ako, papatulan ko yan, magtatayo ako ng missionary riders. Pero ngayon, sabi niya, may edad na ako, pwede rin naman missionary hikers, sabi niya. So nakakatuwa, those are my and casual talks with Tito Frank. And I really look at him beyond all else as really a missionary at the end. No, kapag nga meron tayong mga conferences, no, and the last time I saw him dun sa European conference, kapag ka merong Eucharistic pag nandyan yung exposition, talagang hindi mo naman mahalata. I know, nahalata na napapansin nyo si Tito Frank. Even with stage 4 cancer, for 30 minutes, kung 30 minutes ang exposition, nakaluhod yan. No, nakaluhod siya talaga. And tinitingnan namin, side glances, no, pagtatayo na, hindi siya tumatayo siyang mag-isa. Talagang we can really say, and we are really affirmed, that Tito Frank, Brother Frank, really loved the Lord with all his heart, with all his mind, no, with all his soul, now in heaven, and with all his strength. And yun lang, Tito Frank, we have so many fun stories with you. You are our model missionary, you are our mentor, you are our founder, you are a brother, you are a father to us. And we know you are now in the heavenly embrace of our Jesus Christ in heaven. And also with Mama Mary, whom you also love so much. Maraming salamat mga kapatid. Magandang gabi po.